Guys, what's up? It's Blue, back with another video, and today, we're continuing with part 3 of my Pokemon Ruby adventure. So today we're taking on the gym leader. Two Pokemon, Wingull. Okay. I'll try attack. Okay, that's good enough damage, I guess. Eruption, that does 9 damage, so I can do 2 more. I should be able to kill this thing in that amount of time. Oh, God. Please. Oh. The hell? Just please don't have a quick attack. Oh, crit, let's go. He levels up. Rillaboom. I'm sorry, what? What? Did we just send up? Oh, okay. I guess Shockwave, done an effect, okay, I'm gonna need a flame wheel. I got a burn, let's go. That burn, I should be good to keep going. Oh my god. The burn is definitely gonna help you. Endeavor. Oh no. That could be bad. Endeavor. Okay. It's almost dead. Flame wheel. And the burn should finish. Did we just win the gym battle first try? Did we just beat the gym leader easier than we did? The gym leader was easier than that first trainer. That's hilarious. Okay. Leaf Blade? Oh my god. Challenge other gym leaders, okay. Get out of the way! Please no, my goods! I saw nothing. Heal. So my team's looking pretty good for now. Definitely gonna want that XP share though. Oh yes, is me. Okay. Oh my god. Togetic. I'm gonna try attacks. Oh, frick. Come on. No, wake up. We woke up, second try. Are you serious? Youngster Christine as a Crobat, okay. My Drought. Try attack. Not very effective, okay. Looks like we need to try something else. Heat Wave. Heat Wave was the right idea. Block. Doesn't really even matter, frick. Doesn't even really matter. Alright, we good. Level 13, almost 14. Trico. My god. The Trico Sneasel fusion. I'm a dynamic punch. That was probably the right idea. That can be problematic. Oh, thank God. Oh, God. Tri-attack. Tri-attack, because I know that's not really gonna miss. Glare. Nah, I'll keep my moves. Youngster Christine. Of course. DS3 Pokemon. Roll again. Wait, Tri-attack, I mean? Yes, okay. The right idea. Ooh, we kill him. Slowking, get some XP for kid. Quick way. We gotta kill this thing fast. That's pretty fast, not gonna lie. That is very fast. I have in fact killed it. Crunch. Oh. Switch training. Should I? Nah. I'll keep switch training, I guess. New melee. Sucker punch. Wait. Hold up. I'm sorry, let's... What? I want to play that back. I swear that thing hit Sucker Punch as I switched. What? I swear I switched there. Pico. Wow, Pico. Okay, I will go save your barb. Glitter mail. Okay. Oh. Quagsire. Derp. Pico. Are you serious? Oh god, the Arcanine. Arcanine Manectric Fusion. It's pretty creepy, not gonna lie. I don't need to attack this thing. What Pokemons does you have? Oh yes, Galarian Rapidash. Yes, this thing's normally a psychic type. However, now it's probably not. Exactly. The type move is Bug. I've just realized half of my move over half of my moves are good against 10 psychic types. Damn, bro, I think he's dead here. No. Oh my god, he's gonna die to the whirlpool. Yeah. I managed to make him confused though. That's unfortunate. Oh, damn, he didn't die. Okay. I guess. Hit yourself. Damn. Yeah. Should have seen that coming. Flame wheel. Not very effective, but it kills. Beagle. Damn it. Oh no, Silcoon, not Cascoon. Why the hell did I say Cascoon? I know what the difference is. Beagle. Yo. Oh damn, no. No. Pico. I stole his bird. What the hell? Excuse? Bird? It's a middle bird. Damn it. Yes, Jimmy. It's the best name ever. Jimmy. Last Jimmy. Don't want to go that way. Oh no, he saw me. Oh, it would seem we're in the same room. No way. The letter. Pokémon. Okay, bye. I'ma go kill some people, steal their money. Shut up and take my Pokemon. Yeah, tiny child. I want to battle. Damn, I can't battle. That's dumb. Frick. Jessica. Mischievous. Didn't I just fight one of these? Or am I stupid? I feel like I just fought one of these. Level 15. He's gonna evolve soon. He's gonna evolve soon. Making my way to some old guy's house. He has a bird named Pika. I stole that bird. He is mine. Owl. Hehehe. Not a bird chase you. It's pretty funny. Oh damn, I spelled it wrong. It is 2 E's. Oh, now I have Pecker. Okay, well, it's his cousin. Pecker is Pika's cousin. Okay, I guess I'll save here. And then that next time we'll take on the gym, find Steven in some cave. Alright, and with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Part 4 will be coming probably on Friday. And with that, bye.